Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to gain muscle for beginners. If you're just starting your fitness journey, building muscle can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it's achievable for anyone. In this video, we'll break down the basics, explain the science behind muscle growth, and provide actionable steps to help you get started. Whether your goal is to improve strength, enhance your physique, or boost overall health, understanding the fundamentals is key. Let's dive in and explore what muscle gain really means, why it matters, and how you can set yourself up for success from day one. Muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy, occurs when your muscle fibers are subjected to stress and then recover stronger than before. This process is triggered by resistance training, which creates tiny tears in the muscle tissue. Your body repairs these tears, resulting in increased muscle size and strength. For beginners, it's important to know that muscle gain doesn't happen overnight. Consistency, proper nutrition, and rest are essential. By understanding how muscles grow, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about your workouts and lifestyle. Let's explore the key factors that influence muscle growth. Before you begin your muscle building journey, it's crucial to set realistic and achievable goals. Start by identifying what you want to accomplish, whether it's gaining a certain amount of muscle, improving your strength, or simply feeling healthier. Setting specific, measurable, and time-bound goals will keep you motivated and focused. Remember, progress takes time, and it's normal to encounter challenges along the way. By tracking your achievements and adjusting your goals as needed, you'll stay on the path to success. Let's discuss how to create a goal-setting plan that works for you. Consistency is the cornerstone of muscle gain. It's not about working out intensely for a week and then stopping, it's about making regular exercise a habit. Beginners should aim for a balanced routine, working out several times a week and gradually increasing intensity. Consistent training allows your muscles to adapt and grow over time. Even when motivation dips, sticking to your schedule will yield results. Remember, small steps taken consistently lead to big changes. Let's look at how you can build a routine that fits your lifestyle and keeps you moving forward. Selecting the right exercises is essential for muscle gain. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows engage multiple muscle groups and provide the most effective stimulus for growth. Beginners should focus on mastering these foundational exercises before adding isolation movements. Proper form is crucial to prevent injury and maximize results. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as your strength improves. Let's explore which exercises are best for beginners and how to incorporate them into your routine. Compound exercises involve multiple joints and muscle groups, making them ideal for overall muscle gain. Examples include squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Isolation exercises, like bicep curls and leg extensions, target specific muscles. For beginners, focusing on compound movements provides a solid foundation and helps build strength efficiently. Once you're comfortable, you can add isolation exercises to address specific areas. Understanding the difference between these two types of exercises will help you design a balanced workout plan. Progressive overload is the key to continuous muscle growth. It means gradually increasing the demands on your muscles by adding weight, reps, or sets over time. This forces your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. Beginners should start with manageable weights and focus on proper technique. As you gain confidence and strength, slowly increase the challenge. Tracking your progress ensures you're consistently pushing your limits. Let's discuss how to apply progressive overload safely and effectively. Maintaining proper form and technique is essential for preventing injuries and maximizing muscle gain. Beginners should prioritize learning the correct way to perform each exercise. This may involve watching instructional videos, seeking guidance from trainers, or practicing with lighter weights. Good form ensures that the targeted muscles are engaged and reduces strain on joints. Take your time to master the basics before increasing intensity. Let's highlight the importance of form and how to avoid common mistakes. A well-structured workout plan is crucial for muscle gain. Beginners should aim for a balanced routine that targets all major muscle groups. Start with 3 to 4 sessions per week, incorporating both compound and isolation exercises. Allow for adequate rest between workouts to promote recovery. Tracking your workouts helps you stay organized and motivated. Adjust your plan as you progress to keep challenging your muscles. Let's walk through how to create a simple yet effective workout plan for beginners. Nutrition plays a vital role in muscle gain. Your body needs adequate protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to build and repair muscle tissue. Beginners should focus on consuming a balanced diet with enough calories to support growth. Protein is especially important, as it provides the building blocks for muscle. Aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based options. Carbohydrates fuel your workouts, while fats support hormone production. Let's explore the basics of nutrition and how to fuel your muscle building efforts. Protein is the most important nutrient for muscle gain. It helps repair and build muscle fibers after workouts. Beginners should aim for about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Spread your protein intake throughout the day for optimal results. Include sources like lean meats, dairy, eggs, legumes, and tofu. If needed, protein supplements can help fill gaps. Let's break down how much protein you need and the best ways to get it. Carbohydrates provide energy for your workouts, while healthy fats support hormone production and overall health. Beginners should not neglect these nutrients. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Balancing your macronutrients ensures you have the energy and resources needed for muscle growth. Let's discuss how to incorporate carbs and fats into your diet effectively. When you eat can impact muscle gain. Beginners should aim to eat regular meals and snacks throughout the day, especially before and after workouts. Consuming protein post-workout helps kickstart recovery and muscle repair. Don't skip meals, as your body needs consistent fuel to grow. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stay on track and meet your nutritional goals. Let's look at how meal timing and frequency can support your muscle building efforts. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but essential for muscle gain. Water supports digestion, nutrient transport, and muscle function. Beginners should aim to drink enough water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Dehydration can hinder performance and recovery. Carry a water bottle and make hydration a habit. Let's discuss why water is crucial and how to ensure you're getting enough. Rest and recovery are just as important as training. Muscles grow during periods of rest, not while you're working out. Beginners should prioritize getting enough sleep and allowing time between workouts for recovery. Overtraining can lead to injury and hinder progress. Listen to your body and take rest days as needed. Let's explore how rest and recovery contribute to muscle gain and how to optimize your routine. Sleep is a critical component of muscle gain. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that aid in muscle repair and development. Beginners should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and create a comfortable sleep environment. Poor sleep can slow progress and increase injury risk. Let's highlight the importance of sleep and how to improve your sleep habits. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and making adjustments. Beginners can use journals, apps, or photos to monitor changes in strength, muscle size, and overall fitness. Celebrate small victories and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Regularly reviewing your progress helps you stay focused and identify areas for improvement. Let's discuss effective ways to track your muscle building journey. Plateaus are a normal part of muscle gain. Sometimes progress slows or stalls, but this doesn't mean you're failing. Beginners can overcome plateaus by changing their workout routine, increasing intensity, or adjusting nutrition. Stay patient, and persistent results will come with time. Let's explore strategies for breaking through plateaus and keeping your muscle building journey on track. Supplements can support muscle gain, but they're not a substitute for a balanced diet. Beginners may consider protein powders, creatine, or multivitamins to fill nutritional gaps. Always research supplements and consult a healthcare professional before use. Focus on whole foods first, and use supplements as a tool, not a shortcut. Let's review common supplements and their role in muscle gain. Beginners often make mistakes that can hinder muscle gain. These include neglecting nutrition, skipping rest, using poor form, or expecting instant results. Learn from others and focus on building sustainable habits. Don't compare yourself to advanced lifters. Everyone starts somewhere. Let's highlight common pitfalls and how to avoid them for steady progress. Warming up before workouts prepares your muscles and joints for exercise, reducing injury risk. Beginners should spend 5 to 10 minutes on light cardio and dynamic stretches. A proper warm-up increases blood flow and flexibility, making your workouts more effective. Don't skip this crucial step. Let's discuss how to warm up and why it matters for muscle gain. Cooling down after workouts helps your body transition to rest and reduces muscle soreness. Beginners should spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching major muscle groups. This promotes flexibility and aids recovery. Make cool down and stretching a regular part of your routine for optimal muscle gain. Let's explore the benefits and techniques for cooling down. Pay attention to your body's signals. Beginners should learn to distinguish between normal muscle soreness and pain from injury. If something feels wrong, stop and rest. Adjust your workouts based on how you feel. Listening to your body prevents injuries and supports long-term muscle gain. Let's discuss how to interpret your body's feedback and respond appropriately. Staying motivated is essential for muscle gain. Beginners can set short-term goals, find a workout buddy, or join fitness communities for support. Celebrate progress and remind yourself why you started. Motivation fluctuates, but building a positive environment helps you stay committed. Let's explore ways to boost motivation and maintain consistency. Support systems can make a big difference in your muscle building journey. Beginners can seek encouragement from friends, family, or online communities. Sharing your goals and progress helps you stay accountable. Don't hesitate to ask for advice or join group workouts. Let's discuss how support systems can enhance your results and keep you motivated. Challenges are inevitable, but adapting is key to muscle gain. Beginners may face time constraints, lack of motivation, or plateaus. Develop strategies to overcome obstacles, such as scheduling workouts, adjusting routines, or seeking support. Stay flexible and persistent. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Let's explore how to adapt and thrive in your muscle building journey. Genetics play a role in muscle gain, influencing how quickly and easily you build muscle. Beginners should understand that everyone's body responds differently to training. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Focus on what you can control, like consistency and effort. Genetics are just one factor. Dedication and smart training matter most. Let's discuss how genetics impact muscle gain and how to maximize your potential. There are three main body types: ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. Each type has unique characteristics that affect muscle gain. Ectomorphs are typically lean and may struggle to gain muscle. Mesomorphs are naturally muscular, and endomorphs tend to carry more body fat. Beginners should tailor their training and nutrition to their body type for optimal results. Let's explore how body types influence muscle gain and how to adapt your approach. How often you train impacts muscle gain. Beginners should aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week, allowing time for recovery. Training too frequently can lead to overtraining, while too little may slow progress. Find a balance that fits your schedule and supports growth. Adjust frequency as you advance and listen to your body. Let's discuss how to determine the right training frequency for you. Intensity and volume refer to how hard and how much you train. Beginners should start with moderate intensity and gradually increase volume as their strength improves. High intensity stimulates muscle growth, but too much can lead to burnout. Track your workouts and adjust intensity and volume for steady progress. Let's explore how to balance these factors for optimal muscle gain. The mind-muscle connection is the ability to focus on the muscle you're working during an exercise. Beginners can improve results by concentrating on form and feeling the muscle contract. This enhances activation and growth. Practice slow, controlled movements and visualize the muscle working. Let's discuss how to develop the mind-muscle connection for better gains. Resistance training is the foundation of muscle gain. It strengthens muscles, improves bone density, boosts metabolism, and enhances overall health. Beginners should incorporate resistance exercises like weightlifting, bodyweight movements, or resistance bands. Consistent training leads to long-term benefits beyond muscle size. Let's highlight the advantages of resistance training for beginners. Bodyweight exercises are accessible and effective for muscle gain. Beginners can start with push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks. These movements build strength and stability without equipment. Focus on proper form and gradually increase reps as you progress. Bodyweight training is a great way to begin your muscle building journey. Let's explore key exercises and how to use them. Free weights like dumbbells and barbells are versatile tools for muscle gain. Beginners should start with lighter weights and focus on mastering technique. Free weights engage stabilizing muscles and allow for a wide range of exercises. Gradually increase weight as you build strength. Let's discuss how to use free weights safely and effectively. Machines and gym equipment provide support and guidance for beginners. They help maintain proper form and target specific muscles. Start with basic machines like leg press, chest press, and lat pull down. Adjust settings to fit your body and focus on controlled movements. Machines are useful for learning and building confidence. Let's explore how to use gym equipment for muscle gain. Cardio is important for overall health, but should be balanced with resistance training for muscle gain. Beginners can include moderate cardio like walking, cycling, or swimming. Too much cardio may hinder muscle growth, so prioritize strength training. Cardio supports heart health and aids recovery. Let's discuss how to balance cardio and muscle building workouts. A sample beginner workout might include squats, push-ups, rows, and planks. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each exercise, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Focus on proper form and gradually increase intensity. This routine targets major muscle groups and builds a solid foundation. Adjust exercises and reps as you progress. Let's walk through a simple workout plan for beginners. As you progress, adjust your routine to keep challenging your muscles. Beginners can increase weight, add new exercises, or change rep ranges. Listen to your body and make changes based on your goals and recovery. Regular adjustments prevent plateaus and support continuous growth. Let's discuss how to modify your routine for ongoing muscle gain. Preventing injuries is crucial for muscle gain. Beginners should warm up, use proper form, and avoid overtraining. If you feel pain, stop and rest. Gradually increase intensity and listen to your body. Injury prevention ensures you can train consistently and reach your goals. Let's highlight tips for staying injury-free during your muscle building journey. Muscle gain isn't just physical, it impacts mental health too. Exercise releases endorphins, reduces stress, and boosts confidence. Beginners should focus on overall well-being, not just appearance. Set realistic expectations and celebrate progress. Fitness is a journey that benefits mind and body. Let's discuss how muscle gain supports mental health and happiness. Long-term consistency is the secret to lasting muscle gain. Beginners should build habits, set reminders, and stay flexible with their routines. Life can get busy, but making fitness a priority ensures steady progress. Celebrate milestones and keep your goals in sight. Let's explore strategies for maintaining consistency and enjoying the journey. Recognizing and celebrating progress keeps you motivated. Beginners should reward themselves for reaching goals, whether it's a new personal best or sticking to a routine. Share achievements with friends or treat yourself to something special. Positive reinforcement builds confidence and encourages continued effort. Let's discuss ways to celebrate your muscle-building milestones. Learning about muscle gain helps you make informed decisions. Beginners should read articles, watch videos, and seek advice from experts. Stay updated on new training methods and nutrition tips. Knowledge empowers you to adapt and optimize your routine. Let's highlight the importance of staying informed and continuing your education. Let's recap the key steps for muscle gain as a beginner. Focus on consistency, proper nutrition, effective workouts, and adequate rest. Track your progress, stay motivated, and adapt to challenges. Remember, muscle gain is a journey. Celebrate every milestone and keep learning. With dedication and smart strategies, you'll achieve your goals and enjoy lasting results. Let's summarize the most important points to remember. Now that you understand the basics of muscle gain, it's time to take action. Start by setting your goals, creating a workout plan, and focusing on nutrition and recovery. Stay consistent, track your progress, and don't be afraid to seek support. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Embrace the process and enjoy the transformation. With these steps, you're ready to begin your muscle building adventure. Good luck!